What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be exploring a hidden gem in West Texas. We're going to start our adventure in a small town called Monahans in Ward County, Texas. And the reason we came to this small town was to explore and enjoy the beautiful Monahans Sandhills State Park. And I don't know about you guys, but I never knew that Texas had sand dunes, so this was an awesome surprise to our road trip through Texas. We really enjoyed our time here. In this video, we're going to be exploring Monahans Sandhills State Park, telling you guys everything you need to know for visiting the park and just our experience. We had so much fun here. We had a lot of the dunes to ourselves. We rented sleds and went sand sledding. It was a really cool stop that I would highly recommend to anyone in West Texas or anyone driving through. I hope you guys enjoy our video of our time and experience here. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and it would mean the world to me if you guys could like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've got tons of other things road tripping the United States and beyond.
Alright, we just arrived at the Monahans Sandhills and we just rented these little discs and we got wax also to hopefully make it go smoother. We'll see how this goes.
The Monahans Sandhills were formed thousands of years ago, but it does have sand dunes that are up to 70 feet high that are perfect for sand surfing, tobogganing, and sand sledding, which is what we ended up doing on our visit.
So, this is a tiny dune. I knew they weren't going to be like Colorado sand dunes, but these are teeny dunes.
They're Bri sized.
It'll be a lot of fun sliding down still, so.
Go over to that side of the street so I can show for comparison.
Also, I feel like we're going to just slide into the pavement.
Yeah, probably. You're like half of them. So we are at Monahans Sandhills State Park, not sand dunes. We are here exploring, and then we have a hotel in Monahans for the night. And I've never heard of this place. I never thought Texas had sand dunes, so that's a first, which is pretty cool. We're coming to Sandhills. We are at the picnic area, and if you can see, we have it all to ourselves, which is awesome. There's an RV campsite area that wasn't full, but there was definitely a good amount of people. The park ranger said if we drive to this area, Jump Creek, I'm not sure. It's a picnic area, and she said that we park right at the dune, so we get to slide down. We can see the entire park from on top of just this dune. And she said over here we could fly our drones, which is pretty awesome. So we'll be exploring here for the next few hours and taking photos and videos throughout sunset.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Waiting for you to get that.
What are you doing? I didn't know you knew I was filming. You were just looking out the window. Looked like you were in timeout.
Oh. Here's our wax.
Oh yeah, our wax to go extra fast. This is the perfect activity for Bri right now because her knee is a little bit injured. But hiking up things doesn't hurt, it's just hiking down. So she gets to hike up and just slide down.
Slide down.
Over and over and over. It feels like we're really in the middle of nowhere. Like we're the only ones out here. At first sight, when we pulled up to the back end of the park, we were a little bit underwhelmed, as you can see from Bri's reaction. But once we climbed over this first sand dune from the parking lot, you could just see dunes for as far as the eye could see. This place was so beautiful, it was so much fun, and it really feels like a hidden gem that not that many people know about.
I think I want to go to that dune.
Do you want me to push you?
Go get your stuff. I want to do the big one. I'm gonna tip. Don't go into the trees.
Oh shit! The day use fee to visit is $4 per day per person, and they also have campgrounds for anyone interested in staying for longer. At the time of this video, Texas is advising people to book a reservation to any state parks ahead of time, so right below I will include the link, but it is pretty much tpwd.texas.gov, and then from there you can navigate to the Monahans Sandhills. We just got some really awesome drone shots. That was really nice of the ranger to let us fly the drone. One thing that is so funny is that, so I've been flying drones for like 6 or 7 years, and Bri has, you know, over the years put in her hours, but she doesn't fly often, so every time she flies, she's like an excited toddler with a new toy and just, wee, look at this.
I almost crashed it into the dune.
She almost crashed it, and then she wasn't, oh gosh, I'm sorry, she was just laughing her ass off. So that's pretty funny, but got some really awesome shots. She got a funny shot of me falling, and she was actually trying to hit me with it, and she thought that was pretty funny too.
I wasn't.
The shot is really funny, but I'm cut off.
Sometimes it's like my finger just gets really heavy and just zooms it.
We think we found a steeper dune that doesn't have bushes at the bottom, so we're gonna go check it out. I can already tell there's going to be sand everywhere for the next 2 months, so hopefully the camera gear is good through today.
I have gritty teeth.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't put on chapstick right before you go sandboarding. It all gets stuck on your mouth. Oh, I made it.
How is it getting back up the dunes?
Sucks. Maybe the chairlift.
So, because I am so much heavier than Bri, I don't get any speed on this, so Bri is actually going to do the 360 shot. I've got my new Dream View mount, thanks to Hayden, and going to stick it out of the bag, and we just waxed up Bri's board, so hopefully she goes really, really fast.
Where is it in case I fall?
You're good, just go for it.
No, I don't want to bounce
It's already
it
scratched
into my
up.
head.
It's already, oh.
It's good, it's good.
Go for it.
It's bouncing everywhere.
You ready?
Yeah, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna push you.
Don't, I don't want to push.
Go.
Please
go,
don't push
go,
me.
Go,
Don't push me. Don't!
I'm not.
Determined to get Kevin down at, you know, acceptable speed.
Turbo speed.
Not even turbo, just like some speed.
Yeah, I'm not going nearly as fast as Bri. I want to just zoom down this thing, so I'm waxing it like crazy. I'm not sure.
Like your legs are gonna hit.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. I'm just gonna jump in. Are you still filming?
Mm-hmm. Alright, we're trying the doubled up sled to see if he can go. Chances are. I was gonna drone Kevin heel clicking next to me, and meanwhile he clicked and sand went everywhere, like down my shirt and my hood and my hair. It just dusted me.
It was an accident.
I know. I still love you. Time it is.
Sand time. Bri and I do this thing every time we go to sand dunes anywhere afterwards. See who gathers the most sand in their shoes.
Well, how are we? Oh, we're gonna make the piles, right?
I don't know, looking kind of weak.
Look at the size of my shoes compared to your big behemoth shoes. That's a good amount.
It's a good handful.
I tell ya.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it's all in my socks. Alright.
Oh wow. Wow. You have an actual dune.
And I think I have like a ton in my socks.
Let's see their toes.
No
Sandy
one
feet.
wants to see a close-up of my toes on my YouTube channel.
He's telling the truth.
Alright, see this one.
Bye. Oh! Just blew at us.
That is it for Monahans Sandhills. Please like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed us playing around on sleds. That's Bri's hair.
I saw that. I think that's your hair.
No way, that's not my hair. Anyways, goodbye. Hope you enjoy.
Bye. Just a quick note. Hold on. Just a quick note. The office from the rental. Why do you look so twisted?
Take three. Take three.
Was it 4? Oh man, what? This is crazy. And these at closing.
What about the sled?
The rental place closes at 4:30. As long as you get there before 4:30, you can have them as late as you want.